Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of solo leveling Arise step by step. If you're looking for a way to safely log out of solo leveling Arise without losing your progress, then don't worry. I've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to log out quickly and securely. First of all, launch open Solo Leveling Arise game on your device and make sure you are on the main menu in the home screen. And once you're inside the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the New button or the Menu button. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the Gear button at the bottom right corner. Now, you will come across this Options tab where you need to click on Account at the bottom left. You'll see Logout button under Account, tap on it and confirm that you'd like to log out and restart the game by tapping on the Confirm button. Once you do that, the game will log you out and take you back to the login screen, and then your account will be safely logged out. So that's how you easily log out of Solo Leveling Arise. Make sure to log in again with your correct credentials when you return to continue your adventures. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.